what's up? So I feel like I gave little to no context because I haven't even started filming yet. I'm currently outside Kamel's house. I'm waiting for her to come out. Look at her. Hi, Kamel. Go, Kamel. That's a bit embarrassing for her, don't you think? We're on our way to a shoot, and
oh gosh.
You want to put it in the trunk?
No.
Why?
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Oh,
okay,
wow.
now the party started. We need to go by Max's.
Why?
Because I'm picking up his camera.
Can you tell people what we're doing today, please?
Hey guys, welcome, swipe up. Alright, so, first of all, here's a little update. I'm hungry.
Me too. I haven't even peed this morning.
Really exciting stuff. Kat and I have our first.
Drive on the sidewalk.
This girl legally has her license, everyone. I feel caustic already. Take me home, take me home. This is our first photo shoot together. Can I get a woohoo? Oh, it's really exciting. We've got a makeup artist, hairstylist, fashion stylist, photographer, as you know, you should.
Photo shoots you usually do.
Nice outfit. I feel so caustic.
We're just at Max's right now because Kamel's picking up a camera so she can do a little cheeky vlog.
Hi.
We're gonna be going to like a prop house that has a bunch of different rooms. I think we're a little bit late just because Kamel's making us go on this detour. It takes like 45 minutes to get there and it's 9:20, so we're gonna be like 5 minutes late, which is fine, right? Like that's not too bad, right? Right? Anyways, look at my outfit. You know what? I'm just gonna step out real quick for this outfit. Check the fit. I'm just wearing Nike Air Forces, real cardi, some jeans, some thrifted glasses. Got my hair in a clip. The dog's running. The pup was successfully retrieved, and so was the camera.
Max hates me.
Oh, let's go. Tea. Say address. Quick, give me the addy, quick.
You know I don't work well under pressure. You gotta affirm me.
Guys, we're here, and it's 10:01. We made it.
No way.
Yeah.
Awesome. We did almost die like twice in the process.
No. You're a shit driver. I'm a good driver.
You don't take much.
We got here on time and in one piece.
Oh, I guess that makes you a good driver.
Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, how do I turn a car off?
Yeah.
Anyways, we'll see you inside. We gotta figure out which building it is.
Try to sleep. No, here. That's okay.
Everyone like being serious and getting ready. Kamel and I just walking around pretending to be students and teachers.
Stay there. Stay there, Rusty. Hey, babe. Thanks for meeting me here.
No problem.
Cheers.
Do you wanna share one?
I bought us two.
Oh.
Why would we share one when I have my own one?
Never mind.
I mean, yeah, you know, yeah. Look at that. See? Yeah, you wanna? Yeah. Yeah. Like your boobs.
I literally thought you were like, I like your boobs.
Don't
wanna think
we're
about
completely
it,
useless.
'cause I can go
Everyone's working
listen.
super hard, and we're like.
And we're doing a song. Ready? Listen. Bum bum beat bum bum beat bum 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 beat bum bum beat bum bum.
I don't know what it is.
Bum bum beat
Why do I feel like this?
Bum beat bum bum.
I'm going crazy.
Feels a little creative.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
You wanna cheekily introduce yourself?
Yeah.
Me?
Yes.
I am Kai, and I do hair.
He is Kai and he does hair. Kamel's getting her makeup done. Say hi, Kamel.
Hi, Kamel.
I will check in when it's done. I'm sure Kai's gonna do a great job.
Hi.
We've got just this glittery corset, this skirt, some cowboy boots that don't actually fit me, but they're so cute. It's just super soft girl, glowy vibes. Just my butt in the background. Let's go look at Kamel. How you feeling, cutie? She looks so good. Go hard, queen.
That's not any vibe music.
Oh, can you guys play cat&calmell?
Please don't do it, it's trash. Look, number 2.
So for this one, are we doing the dark look?
Yeah, it's like a little bit more sexy, I guess.
Look, number 2. Look at my sexy ponytail. Thanks, Kai. Everyone say thanks, Kai. Thanks, Kai. Kamel looks like she's in the Matrix. Sexy bitch.
Oh, he's like, I'm like, oh, that smells good. Never smelled Chanel in my life.
Look at these sexy pants Monica hooked me up with. They're very expensive vintage, so I can't move or I'll break them.
If you break them,
Here.
Yay, maybe I should just break them on purpose.
actually those cowboy hats will belong to you guys.
Bitch, we're getting free cowboy hats. This is the outfit zone. I'm about to get accessorized. Access me up.
Sorry, my hands.
Hi guys, I'm with Christina Aguilera. Don't choke me out.
Hi guys, we're here with Michele and he's doing my makeup. He's an icon, look.
Hi! Switch it till you running right out of breath, baby. On my radar, you keep like you were English. Rock it and make it work, girl. Please don't stop it until it hurts, girl.
Work it.
I even like Carmel if you're in there. You don't even have to.
My dad's gonna look at his photos and say, what the fuck?
Yeah, it's nice that you're like.
Vibe.
Sit on the cat.
Look at the sick ass eye look that Michele did for the retro. Get it, king.
Ha ha ha.
And you've got it all filmed. That's the
I didn't even have time to react to like try and catch you. You were just like,
Okay, can I see?
Look number 4. Let's go, Kai.
That's my hair to look forward.
We don't have the outfit yet because I'm eating. Oh, you know, I don't usually like beetroot or carrot or cucumber, but this sandwich kind of slaps.
Just maybe we can get your makeup done in this if you want.
We are undecided on the final look. The red lashes.
To shoot this.
Got the big boy open. Bitch, you look so good.
we look so good.
I feel like a forest nymph.
You like those colours, yeah? That's your colour, isn't
Yes.
it? Can I, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, bitch.
precisely. Amazing.
Girl, you look so sexy.
Girl, I feel sexy. The fuck?
Is that better?
Look number 4. Monica's struggling with an earring. She's getting angry.
I am getting angry.
Bougie. Look at my diapers.
Now? Fucking hell!
This is the makeup look. Michele is a god. Look at this. These purple lashes giving me life. Just to do it. Oh my god, queen.
Okay, let's go.
We're ready.
Ready. Wow.
Like I'm so into
Literally same. Look at this outfit, bitch. Getting the makeup shots. Ooh, my turn.
Looking good from the front. How's the back?
3, 2, 1.
That's right. We've stuck on the normal black lashes and it just doesn't hit the same. It really doesn't hit the same. Why do we look so good? Wait, look at under my eyes. It's just blue glitter.
I'm getting Jewel vibes from you.
Thanks. We're going home now. Kamel's struggling. Couldn't be me. I'm flourishing.
You're doing all right, sweetheart?
Oh my! I thought someone was in the back with the cowboy hat. Finally did a photo shoot that we actually really felt good in. Vlogging was really hard because we had to like rush everything because we were on a tight schedule. We're doing so many looks. So I feel like the vlog was really inconsistent, but hopefully it's enough to put a video together and hopefully you guys enjoyed that. And I don't want to spoil the looks too much.
I know,
but also I want to flex at the same time.
Well, why don't we like...
Anyways, it's done. We kind of went like an hour overtime, which isn't too bad. I thought we'd like be way overtime because of how many things we were doing.